Hey guys, I'm back. Today we'll be doing a manga drawing from Haikyuu. As you guys may know, the manga has ended recently, but there was an epic scene at the end. So I wanted to draw that and make it colored, I guess. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy.
I went from Sunday to Sunday at BNA on the runway. I took a meeting at 10 after 2, pull right up after the gun range. I got a circle that worry about a code, but clientele that working under the road to stay on the low. Me and my bro just linked up and went half on the coat. Hell nah, I can let up. Lately I been fed up. Too much talk around me, but the whole thing is set up. Everybody talk but don't do nothing but say they coming. I know you fun, I know you see me up 2,500, man, I got them press no push your button, no goddamn hot like a two-stove oven, turn all the way up, can't cool it for nothing. Catch me out on the north side doing numbers right in front of my whip, 2 doors up top off stun like damn I'm a stun like 215s in the back of my trunk, A16 when I knew what I want, by 23 had going up like I went from Sunday to Sunday at BNA on the runway. I took a meeting at 10 after 2, pull right up after the gun range. I got a circle that worry about a code, but clientele that working under the road to stay on the low. Me and my bro just linked up and went half on the coat. Me and my bro just linked up, signed OP, just linked up. Big old check, big old buzz, brand new whip, windows up, 10 toes down, get no fuck. By that shit came out of the mud, never been luck, been had skill, been had drive, hands on wheel. I am not at all concerned about a dollar, I could burn it to a check, into a bigger check. A lot of talking from a lot of people that they never did it, then they get them out of debt instead of in the debt. I could've kept it 9 to 5, but I ain't even like the job, cause I wasn't trying to work for nobody else. At least you would do it down from the minute I was down, nigga, and it make it happen on the internet. Now I work from Sunday to Sunday at BNA on the runway. I took a meeting at 10 after 2, pull right up after the gun range. I got a circle that worry about a code, but clientele that working under the road to stay on the low. Me and my bro just linked up and went half on the coat.
Yeah, I put my foot on the gas, I
I got one more than that's fast, yeah. I keep his word on the dash, I keep his word on the dash. How I gon' cap out some cash, I do not carry no cash, yeah. I'd rather carry a Max, yeah, to put all the hate in the way. I just wanna be the best. Been giving a sign that all of them wanna go protest. Been giving a hot that just beat on my chest. Boxing me in like they feel of the test. No, they can't see me, guess they gon' guess. Check on your mate, just like it's test. I dress for success while they dress to impress. Never be plotting, don't wish them the best. Like, ooh, I got a father, his name is Jesus. I ain't from this world, so why you make me choose? Ain't got no debt cause he paid all my dues. I ain't feel no debts cause we ain't gonna lose. I hear the trumpet, I hop on my shoes. Holding my Yeezys, I'm gon' need a boost. My dog has been blue and he ain't got a clue. God has been with him like straight out of womb. Straight out of, I'm speaking straight facts, I ain't made them up. Why they speaking straight trash, I ain't man enough to rebuke all they lies and then call they bluff. Yeah, I've been dripped down from head to toe. God is my boast and antidote. They hit a boss from coast to coast. Gotta go rider, Holy Ghost, yeah. I've been beaten to the ground, round straight after round. Won't see you in my town or like anywhere. I've been laughed at, I've been clowned, lost but now I'm found. Yeah, pick me off the ground, you're the answer. I put my foot on the gas, yeah. I got one more than that's fast, yeah. I keep his word on the dash, I keep his word on the dash. How I gon' cap out some cash, yeah. I do not carry no cash, I'd rather carry a Mac shit to put all the hate in the rest. I ain't gon' stress about the money, but I ain't gon' start like a roadie, no. Now you wanna say that you owe me, so now you just a fake and a phony, yeah. I ain't gon' stress about the money, but I ain't gon' start like a roadie, no. Now you wanna say that you owe me, so now you just a fake and a phony, yeah. All of these people been saying they been with the kids and like they want a legacy, but all they been doing is looking and judging the kid and not letting me better me. I'm starting to see I got more but less friends that just wanting me for the amenities. I hope and I pray that one day in the future we standing as women and men in peace, yeah. I've been beaten to the ground, round straight after round. Won't see you in my town or like anywhere. I've been laughed at, I've been clowned, lost but now I'm found. Yeah, you pick me off the ground, you're the answer prayer. I've been beaten to the ground, round straight after round. Won't see you in my town or like anywhere. I've been laughed at, I've been clowned, lost but now I'm found. You pick me off the ground, you're the answer prayer.